Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. Sri Sai Baba is omnipresent and omniscient. He knows everything about everyone. He understands our past, present, and future and lovingly guides us the righteous path so that we may lead happy and contented lives. During his lifetime in Shirdi and after his Mahasamadhi, countless incidents have revealed his all knowing nature. In this episode, let us reflect upon one such divine experience of a staunch devotee of Baba, Sri Moreshwar Vishwanath Pradhan. This experience was recorded by him on 25th December 1932 in his book, originally written in Marathi and later translated into English as Sri Sai Baba of Shirdi. In this book, he documented several incidents that testify to Baba's continued blessings even beyond his physical form. This sacred incident beautifully reveals Baba's omniscience. Before we go into the incident, let us briefly learn about Sri Moreshwar Vishwanath Pradhanji. Moreshwar Vishwanath Pradhanji was a respected judge of the Bombay High Court. He first visited Shirdi in 1910. During his visits, he witnessed many of Baba's divine leelas and personally experienced several miracles in his own life. For many years, he had been suffering from severe asthma. In a mysterious yet compassionate manner, Sai Baba asked him to inhale from his chilim. Through this sacred act, Moreshwar Pradhanji was completely cured of his chronic illness. From that very moment, his devotion towards Baba deepened and he became an ardent devotee of Sai Baba. Not only was he cured of asthma, but he and his family also received relief from various ailments through Baba's blessings. Baba guided him in his personal life, helped him over many difficulties, and constantly safeguarded him and his family. Moreshwar Pradhanji later served as the president and trustee of the Shirdi Sai Sansthan. He was honored by the British government with the title Rao Bahadur and came to be known as Rao Bahadur Moreshwar Vishwanath Pradhan. He generously donated the Lendi Bagh which he had purchased to Shirdi Sai Sansthan. Through his sincere efforts, the renowned painter Shamrao Jaikarji was invited to Shirdi in 1913 to paint Baba's lifelike portraits. These portraits later became the foundation for the widely worshipped images of Sai Baba that we see across the world today. Even after Baba's Mahasamadhi in 1918, Moreshwar Pradhanji and his family continued to experience his living presence and divine guidance. One such experience recorded by Sri Moreshwar Pradhanji in his book beautifully illustrates Baba's omniscience. Once an astrologer came to Shirdi carrying a book on astrology. His intention was simple: if Baba touched the book and returned it to him, he would consider it sacred prasad and believe that it would bring him prosperity and success in his profession. Sai Baba, who knows the present, past and future of all beings, took the book into his hands. However, instead of returning it to the astrologer, he gave it to Bapu Sahib Bhuti, a wealthy and devoted follower who was seated nearby Baba. Initially, Bhuti casually glanced at the book and set it aside. Later, reflecting that Baba had deliberately given it to him, he felt inspired to study it seriously. What began as casual reading gradually turned into deep and sincere learning. In time, Bhuti became highly proficient in astrology. He helped many devotees by studying their horoscopes and guiding them with accurate predictions about their daily activities and future events. On one occasion, a friend of Bhuti was contesting an election scheduled to begin at 8 am. He approached Bhuti and asked him whether he would win. Bhutiji inquired about the number of candidates participating. After making his calculations, he confidently said that if the election were delayed by about half an hour, his friend would surely win. Otherwise, there would be no chance of victory. Following this advice, his friend managed to delay the election proceedings. To his great astonishment, everything happened exactly as predicted and he emerged victorious. Through this incident, we clearly see Baba's omniscient nature. Baba knew that mastery in astrology was not destined for the visiting astrologer. Instead, he bestowed that blessing upon the one who was truly fit to receive and use it properly. Sai Baba grants his grace to those who are spiritually prepared and capable of using their knowledge for the welfare of others. Through this Leela, Baba teaches us that any art, knowledge, or skill given by divine grace should be used selflessly for the benefit of humanity and not for personal gain. When we worship Sai Baba with faith and patience, He, being all knowing, takes care of our lives. Even after his Mahasamadhi, he continues to protect, guide, and bless his devotees just as he did while in his physical form. Let us always remember his holy name and remain steadfast in Shraddha and Saburi. Have firm faith in Baba and be blessed. We'll meet again in the next episode with another divine topic from the sacred life of Sri Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram.